What's up, JG Nation? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. It's your boy JG, and for today's episode, I will be comparing the LG Q7 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy A6. I don't know about you guys, but I'm super excited. I did a review. I asked you guys what phone would you like me to compare. You guys want to see the LG Q7 Plus going head to head with the Galaxy A6, so you can make a better decision when you go out there and make your purchase. The reason I feel like a lot of you were saying they want to see this phone is because of the features on both of them. So currently the LG Q7 Plus is going for $300 and the Galaxy A6 is also going for $300. Their specs are very similar. They're almost neck to neck, but that's all on paper. We want to put them to the test and see in the real life situations which one would win. Without further ado, let's get started. If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones at Metro, Cricket, and Boost, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. Right here you have the LG Q7 Plus. It's still in the wrap. I'm going to take this off actually right now so you guys can see it a little bit more clearly. There it is. Okay, and you have that warning in the back that says device back cover and battery on non-removable. Also on the Samsung A6, it is not removable, so make sure you don't try to take that off. Alright, so that's the LG Q7 Plus, and this is Samsung Galaxy A6, as you guys can see right there. This is the same model that's at Metro by Tmobile, aka Metro PCS, Boost Mobile, and Cricket Wireless. They all have the same similar model that's on the Galaxy A6. Now, let's look at the specs. You have a 5.6-inch display on the Samsung Galaxy A6, as you can see right there. Let's put them side by side and see which one looks a little bit bigger. So you can see that the 5.6 AMOLED display on the Galaxy A6 looks a little bit bigger than the LG Q7 Plus. By the way, let's keep an eye on the battery percentage of both phones. So this one's at 50% right now, and this one's at 70%. So let's go ahead and make sure that both of the settings are all the same in the phones. As you guys can see, we have only airplane mode on. Everything else is turned off. You have NFC turned off. You have sync turned off. So let's go ahead now and make sure that there's no apps open as well. So we're going to clear everything. So I've made sure that both of them have been updated. All the software has been up to date. All the apps are up to date as well. So the first test we're going to do is we're going to test which one turns on first. So I'm going to go ahead and turn both of them off right now. So I'm going to click on the power buttons that's on the side. This is the Samsung and this is the LG Q7. 1, 2, 3. The vibration started on the LG Q7 Plus. There you have it. The Samsung A6 turned on first. And then the LG Q7 Plus. I'm going to go ahead first and show you guys that everything is turned off on all the phones. So the first test I'm going to be doing, I'm going to turn on the apps and see which one turns on first. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the dialer app. 1, 2, 3. The LG Q7 turned on first. Let's go to the messages app. 1, 2, 3. The A6 turned on this time. Alright, so for the next one, we're going to need the internet because we're going to turn on the browser and see the speed. It connected to the Wi-Fi on the A6 faster than it did on the LG Q7. Let's go ahead now and try the browser. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to test the speed on the browsers now. So 1, 2, 3. They were both at google.com. So now they'll go to JGTechBlog. Oh, and the A6 slightly faster than the LG. Do you guys see how in the beginning of the video we started at 50% on the LG Q7? It is now at 41%. While the 70% that we started on the A6 is now at 65%. The battery life will last you much longer on the A6. They're both 3000 milliamps, but you'll have a much better battery life towards the end of the day on the Galaxy A6 compared to the LG Q7. And I also think this has something to do with the display on the Galaxy A6 being 720p compared to the 1080p resolution that's on the LG. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.